Here's how to install the FitBit Sport Band. So the Sport Band has holes in it so you don't get all sweaty versus the regular band, which you get all sweaty with. So the way that they say to take the band off is there's a little pin. I would not use my fingernail for this. People break fingernails all the time doing this. You slide the pin down, rock it sideways, lift it out, and then you put the new band in, one pin in the hole at an angle, pull the pin down, and then rock it sideways. So let's see if that can be accomplished. So to take the old watch band off, I find the little pin, pull it down, rock it sideways. So it's meant to go on at this angle, not like this. So when you put it on, make sure you're at an angle like that with the watch. And then you just put the pin, come on, focus. You put the pin in the hole, then rock it on. And that's it. Super easy. So the secret is this angle here. A lot of people are going to try to put it straight on and it's not going to work. Now let's do the other side. So you rock the pin that way. So you pull the pin out and then pull it down. Boom! And it came off. You can see that would have broken my fingernail. Look at that popsicle stick. So now this one is going to go on at this angle again. Pin goes in the hole. We keep it at that angle. Bottom pin is in the hole. Use my fingernail protector here. Push it down. Click, and there you go. Bow, bow, bow. All done. So it's easy, but it's tricky. Remember this angle, don't use your fingernail. Put it in, rock it at an angle. Make sure it's at this angle and it'll push and pop right in. There you go. That's the finished product. Pretty sexy. It's going to be a little less sweaty with the vent holes, a little better tan lines. The only thing I'd also recommend is make sure you buy the right size. I probably should have bought small, but I bought large. So now I got all this extra around, which I'll probably cut off.